I think that it sheds light on the fact that this is more than a little bit shady.
A little bit shady. That is how one former Bexar County prosecutor describes messages between the district attorney's office and the criminal justice reform group, the Wren Collective.
We have been following this story since we first broke news of that relationship earlier this week. Documents we have reviewed show the DA's office has been messaging that outside group for years now about specific cases, investigations, and more.
Meredith Chacon worked for the two prior DA administrations, not for Joe Gonzalez. She tells Erica Hernandez why she has concerns about these conversations.
Is there any ramifications for conversations like this?
Well, I think that there can be.
For 15 years, Meredith Chacon was a prosecutor under Bexar County District Attorney Susan Reed and Nicola Hood. Now in private practice, Chacon is concerned with what is going on in the current district attorney's office after reading through the more than 200 pages of conversations between DA Joe Gonzalez, First Assistant DA Christian Henriksen, and founder of the Wren Collective, Jessica Brand. The messages range from discussions about high-profile cases, policy, and even what was talked about in conversations with other county officials.
To me, it reads like an office who's taking direction from an outside entity. It reads like an office who's taking direction on cases and making decisions based only on political factors. And it's very, very concerning. Chacon
gets straight to the point about what she believes are possible violations.
Under Article 2.01 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, that's where it outlines the district attorney's duties. And their duty is to see that justice is done, not to seek it, but to see that justice is done. Clearly, their decisions are not being driven by justice, and that is very troubling.
Another point she brings up is the sharing of case information. One example is a discussion of dropping the death penalty in the trial of a man accused of murdering a San Antonio police officer.
If a prosecutor has discussions with outside entities about ongoing cases, such as this, that they waive their work product privilege. It implies in the text that they are seeking counsel from these people as to whether or not to proceed. There's another one where the person from that organization texts and says something about, you could get rid of this death penalty case.
That death penalty case referenced in this text message between Henriksen and Brand was the Otis McCain case, which was in the middle of jury selection at the time it was sent in March 2020. Now, the jury selection was eventually suspended due to the pandemic, and McCain was sentenced to death in 2021. But these messages could affect the appeal process.
I think there's a disingenuousness that's going on here that underlines all of this. And when you know something's wrong, you don't want people to know about it. Bexar County deserves better.
Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.